Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Notion to Zapier for LinkedIn content checklist, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Notion account. Navigate to the page where you want your content checklist to reside. Create a new database or open an existing one dedicated to your LinkedIn content. Add the necessary properties to your database, such as title, status, and publish date. Now, open another tab and log into your Zapier account. If you don't have a Zapier account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap to start creating your automation. In the Trigger section, search for and select Notion as the app. Connect your Notion account to Zapier by granting the required permissions. Choose the trigger event, such as New Database Item or Updated Database Item. Select the specific database that contains your LinkedIn content checklist. Continue to test the trigger to ensure it's pulling in data correctly. Next, you will set the action step by searching for LinkedIn. Select LinkedIn as the app for the action step. Choose the desired action event, like share an update or post a photo. Connect your LinkedIn account to Zapier, granting necessary permissions. Map the fields from your Notion database to the corresponding fields in LinkedIn. This may include the content title, description, and any media links. Once everything is mapped, test the action step to confirm that it works. Review the details in Zapier to make sure everything looks correct. If all tests pass, name your Zap appropriately. Finally, turn on your Zap to activate the connection between Notion and LinkedIn. Now, every time you update your Notion database, the corresponding LinkedIn content will automatically get created according to your checklist. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.